In this video, I'm going to be conducting some Spectrum Mobile speed tests on some congested towers and also talking about some problems with the Spectrum Mobile speeds. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there guys, welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech. And if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie Blotnicki III, and on this channel, we're typically talking tech. Today guys, we're going to go ahead, this is a highly requested video topic. I've been talking about Spectrum Mobile quite a bit here on the channel, and a lot of you have asked for some speed tests. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get to the speed tests. So in these tests, I'm going to go ahead. I drove out to these towers. I try to get them during their congestion period. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and roll some speed tests here. Alright guys, so I am at the first location here where I'm going to go ahead and do the speed test here. So let's see what we get. Let me show you guys here. Here's the tower. You can zoom on in. Alright, so the towers, actually the antennas up at the top, is what we're going to be going after here. And I did manage to go ahead and get a hold of an iPhone 12 mini. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some speed tests here. As you can see, Spectrum, iPhone 12 mini. Let's go ahead and see what we get here. Alright guys, we're going to run that one more time here. Alright guys, and the first test is now complete. So as you guys can see, on that first test, the speeds were honestly pretty good. That tower is actually one of the newer towers. So now let's go ahead and on to the next tower. Alright guys, so I am at the second location here. It's an undisclosed location here. Actually, those of you who follow me in the vlogs, this is actually Trevor's work here.
Oh yeah, here we go, we're live. Look at that.
And right now, I figured this would be a good time to go ahead and do a speed test here. And we're just, we're going to go ahead and run it here and see what we get. Alright, let's go ahead and run that again here. And this is running the 4G LTE. So like I said, guys, 4G LTE, 3 out of 4 bars of service. And that's what we get here. On to the next test here. Well, hey there, guys. What do you know? We're at another tower here. As you can see here, about as close as you're going to get to this thing here. Alright, so let's go ahead and do another speed test here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do it one more time here. As you can see, this tower's much more congested, which is kind of what I thought. But speeds, especially that upload on 4G LTE, guys, I don't think that's too bad. Alright, on to the next tower. Alright guys, well, we are at the next location, and I actually tried to park as close to the tower as I could. There was a whole bunch of trees in the way, so I'll go ahead and I'll try to get a picture of it here to show you guys which tower I'm at. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to do another speed test here, just to see what we get here. This one is a little bit more in the woods, as they would say. So here we go. Look at that upload, guys. That is some serious congestion right there. Wow, look at that congestion, guys. Full bars on LTE, 76 download, 1.39 for your upload. Let's go ahead and try it again here. If I can click it here. There we go. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell this tower is getting congested here. The download's pretty good, but that upload, man, that upload is just, wow, look at that. Looks like it's even worse than the last time. Alright, and there we go. So guys, as you can see, speed's there, especially that upload. Guys, it's a real joke. This is the kind of stuff that I've been running into. Alright guys, I got a little treat for you here. I'm actually right in front of the Verizon store here. And here, if I can get a good view at it, here is the cell phone tower, right on top of the water tower. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, and we're going to hit go here. And let's see what kind of speeds we get here. right, let's go ahead and do it again here. Alright guys, and there we go. And now, here's a 3G speed test for you guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed those speed tests, and those were on the 4G LTE network and then the 3G network. I actually don't live in an area where Verizon has 5G yet to test on the Spectrum network, but don't worry guys, in about a week or so, I'm going to be traveling south of the state of Wisconsin, and I'm going to be hoping to hit some of those 5G spots, and if I do, I'll go ahead, I'll film those speed tests, and then I'll go ahead and I'll make a video on the 5G speed tests because that's also a highly used search term. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, well, that other button seems to work okay too. Maybe you've come across my channel, maybe for the very first time. It's a pretty good possibility. You're thinking to yourself, you know what, Eddie? I actually like you. Then I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more exciting content. Guys, you know it. It's on the way. If you have any additional questions or comments that you want me to go ahead and make a future video on, definitely let me know. I'd love to interact with you. And guys, I'm always looking for ideas. So, like I said, guys, it's time to go ahead and let you guys go. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Like I said, much more exciting content in tech. You know it, guys. It's on the way soon. All right, guys. And until next time.